is lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the quality in this video so far, I have a brand new camera. I am mad excited. But anyways, we're going to talk about that on another day. Today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unboxing for March. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got this March, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the March Ipsy. Let's see. Okay. Honestly, I have no idea what else I got this month. All I can recall is I chose something. I think it was from Tarte. I don't remember what it was, but I chose something from Tarte also. But the first thing in here is some face masks. And they are by the brand Real Beauty. This here is what they look like. This one is Brighten and Glow, and it is a sheet mask. And this one is Hydration, Refresh and Moisturize. This here is the March bag. It is this like aqua kind of tealish green inside of the bag. You guys, I'm so excited. I love my camera. Okay, this is what I chose. This is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. Looks like this. Ignore my busted nails. They're I need to get them done in this week sometime. So yeah, I chose this Tarte primer. Let me see right here. It says full beat of or natural look. This lightweight and super effective primer will make sure your hard work doesn't fade. It'll help your foundation last longer, keep your skin hydrated for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and marine plant extracts. This is a sample, so the full size would be $32. Holy crap. So, yeah. Next, this is an Ofra product. Ofra is so expensive, and I want to try their makeup, but like, it's just expensive. This is the Ofra Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Versatile Matte. This is what it looks like. And doesn't really smell like anything. That's the shade. I'm gonna do a little swatch. Okay, that's what it looks like. Oof. I mean, I think it's buildable, but I don't know. Well, we'll find out when I go to use it now, won't we? It says that we believe that your makeup should multitask as well as you do, which is why we're obsessed with this 3-in-1 powder. This matte medium brown shade can be used as a bronzer to give your skin all over warmth, a contour to sculpt your features, or an eyeshadow to lift your lids. To lift them. The full-size version of this is $35. This is I guess not the, oh, this isn't it, it's that one. Okay, anyways, next this is the, hold on, Shania B Miami Highlight and Guava Glow. It says, say hello to this multitasking powder. Your makeup bag needs this spring. The luminous highlighter adds a distant radiant and youthful rosiness to your skin. Plus, the highly pigmented formula never looks streaky or patchy, and easy to blend and build to. That was a lot of words. I'm sorry. I'm kind of stoned. But this here is what it looks like. I can just get this up. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's two flamingos. Let me turn this up just a little bit. Oh, down a little bit actually. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay. It feels creamy, but I don't know if it's glowy. Like, I don't know if I would call it glowy. Hold on, let me build it. Okay, I see it. Hold on. It's right here. It's like really hard to see it, but it's there. Let me turn that back down. There. It is here. It's right here. There we go. Sorry about that, like, but it's there, you know. So I mean, it's pretty, it's gentle. It's a little more too pink for me, but I'll get over it, you know. Okay. It says Bella and Argent Lip Lure Gloss and Jealous of Us. Says this gorgeous gloss gives you the best of all worlds: intense shine, long-lasting hydration, and a non-sticky feel. It's infused with lightweight yet highly moisturizing jojoba oil to reduce chapping, and the best part, it bathes your lips in sheer neutral color with a gold shimmery tint. The deluxe, this is the deluxe sample. The full-size version is $22. Okay, so this is the packaging. Okay, and the shade right here. It's probably upside down, sorry. Couldn't get it open, I had to bite it. It's not normal, right? Ooh, she's beautiful. Okay. This is nice, you guys. From back here, you can't really see it, but like if I pull it up, it is actually really pretty. And this is mirrored thing. And the applicator. Okay, I'm just gonna look into the viewfinder here. Okay. Can't really smell anything, but guys, this feels really thick actually, and it's not because I'm high that I know that. Like, I feel stupid with this on. Here, let me see if I can zoom you in on my new camera. Oh, wrong way. You see my mustache? No. Yo, that was crazy. Next is this polar. He just started snoring. Next is this Polar Nuit Politier Polar Night Relaxing Cream with Boreal Algae. Okay. Looks like this. Excuse me. This says, that is so thick on my lips. It says proof that not every night cream has to feel sticky and heavy. The ultra potent yet totally lightweight overnight cream. It soaks in fast, but packs major moisturizing and skin smoothing results thanks to the boreal algae, which encourages cell regeneration while you sleep. Tip: don't forget your neck. Keep yours soft and supple by slathering this on before bed. Okay. We're gonna put this on just cause, you know. Kind of smells weird. I'm not sure how much to put on, so it's gonna take about this much. Put it into my hands. It smells like old lady perfume. That feels so weird. Like, I don't know, I can't place it. Alright, so that was it for my Ipsy March unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and like always, I love you guys.